Hello friends, welcome back to the Python exercise series. In this lesson, we will write down a program to solve the exercise where it is mentioned that we have to find all the numbers within the given range which are divisible by 5. Suppose the lower limit is 1 and upper limit is 20 and both of them are inclusive. Therefore, the numbers which are evenly divisible by 5 are 5, 10, 15 and 20. Now this range can change. Okay, so the upper limit can be 20, it can be 30, it can be anything. So we will have to take this input from the user. Now we will be writing the solution to this exercise. So let us start writing the code. So we will ask user to input the value of n. So whatever input user gives, we will have to typecast it to the integer. Now we will start writing the logic to this problem. So we will start looping through the numbers starting from 1. So for n in range 1 to n. Now we want n to be inclusive. So we will say that upper limit is going to be n plus 1. Now any number which is evenly divisible can be identified if its remainder is 0 after dividing that number by 5. So we will say that if n modulus 5 is equals to 0, then that number is evenly divisible by 5. Therefore we can print that number, and we will also change the value of end to comma and space because we want to print all these numbers in the same row. Let us execute this program. So over here we have got the error, and this error is because of this double quotes. Now let us execute it, and suppose that the upper limit is 20 and it's still executed with the error. So over here we are supposed to print the value of n, not m. Let us re-execute it. The upper limit is going to be 20 and press enter. Now you can see that we have obtained the numbers 5, 10, 15 and 20. These numbers are evenly divisible by 5. Now re-execute this code and let us set the upper limit to be 100. So it will generate all those numbers which are divisible by 5 starting from 1 till 100. Now suppose that we are supposed to find all those numbers within the given range that are divisible by both 5 as well as 7. So over here the problem has slightly got changed. What we want to do is we have to find every number within the given range which is both divisible by 5 as well as 7. So I will copy this code, paste it over here, and in this case we have to check two things: whether this number is divisible by 5 as well as also divisible by 7. So what we are going to check over here is if any number is evenly divisible by 5 as well as 7, then their remainder is going to be 0 in both the cases. If both these criteria are met, then in that case it is the required number that we have to print. Let us now execute this code once again and pass the value which is being represented by n is 100 suppose. So it is going to generate numbers 35 as well as 70. These numbers are both divisible by 5 as well as 7.